Concrete mix ratios explained. Concrete mix ratios determine the strength and durability of the concrete. Let's break down some common ratios, from M5 to M25. M5 mix is used for plain cement concrete. The ratio is 1 to 510, 1 part cement, 5 parts sand, and 10 parts gravel. M7.5 mix is used for non-structural elements. The ratio is 1 to 4:8, 1 part cement, 4 parts sand, and 8 parts gravel. M10 mix is suitable for pathways and patios. The ratio is 1 to 3:6, 1 part cement, 3 parts sand, and 6 parts gravel. M15 mix is used for slab casting and flooring. The ratio is 1 to 2:4, 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 4 parts gravel. M20 mix is used for reinforced concrete. The ratio is 1 to 1.5 to 3, 1 part cement, 1.5 parts sand, and 3 parts gravel. M25 mix is used for structural elements like columns and beams. The ratio is 1 to 1:2, 1 part cement, 1 part sand,